Understanding the phrase, "Come out with it," a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, "Come out with it." This expression is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. Come out with it is an idiomatic expression that encourages someone to speak their mind or reveal information that they seem hesitant to share. It's often used in situations where someone is beating around the bush or avoiding the main point. By saying, "Come out with it," you are directly asking them to be open and straightforward. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. In a conversation. 2. Friend 1. I have something to tell you, but I'm not sure how to say it. 3. Friend 2. Just come out with it. I'm all ears. 4. In a meeting. 5. Manager. I can tell you have an opinion about the project. Come out with it. We value your input. These examples show how "come out with it" is used to encourage openness and honesty. While using this idiom, be cautious not to sound too aggressive or impatient. It's important to maintain a friendly tone to ensure the other person doesn't feel pressured or uncomfortable. There are similar expressions that carry the same meaning, such as spit it out, get to the point, what are you getting at? Understanding these variations can help you recognize when someone is using a different phrase with a similar intention. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, "Come out with it," confidently. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of mastering the English language. Happy learning, and don't hesitate to come out with any questions you might have.